In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use an adjustable torque screwdriver. An adjustable torque screwdriver is built to tighten to a certain value. This prevents damage due to over-tightening. In this video, we will be using Pros Kit torque screwdrivers. They use a standard 1/4 inch bit. I have all of my bits right here. I'm going to show you how to use this by tightening up the handlebars on a mountain bike. Now let's get rid of this table. That was cool. So if we look at our handlebars, we will see that it's marked 4 Newton meter. So we will have to adjust our screwdriver. We will also need a 7mm hex bit. Now tighten the screw until you feel the tension release. And before storing, make sure you set your tool back to 0 Newton meter. And that's how you use an adjustable torque screwdriver. Thanks for watching.